In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello to-do lists effectively. If you're looking to streamline your task management process, Trello is an exceptional tool to help organize your workload. Let's dive into how you can leverage it effectively. First, start by going to Trello's website. It's a web-based platform, so access it through your preferred browser. Once you're there, the initial step is to log in. Trello offers multiple login options, allowing you to choose a method that suits you best, whether that's via email or through platforms like Google or Microsoft. After logging in, you'll want to create a new board. Think of a board as your workspace or your project environment. It can be dedicated to a specific project, team, or even personal goals. The idea is to give you a visual overview of all your tasks in one place. Now, within this board, you'll want to set up lists. Lists in Trello can represent different stages of your task completion process. For instance, you might have lists titled Backlog, To Do Today, In Progress, Waiting, and Done. These categories help you track where each task stands. Next, let's talk about creating cards. Each card represents an individual task or item on your to-do list. Make sure to craft a clear and concise title for each card, providing enough context to know what needs to be done at a glance. Don't forget to add detailed descriptions to your cards, outlining the necessary steps, linking any resources, and including any pertinent information relevant to completing the task. As you add tasks, organizing and prioritizing them becomes crucial. Trello makes this simple with its drag-and-drop feature that allows you to move cards between lists depending on their status. Set due dates to ensure you never miss a deadline, and utilize labels for categorizing your tasks by project, priority level, or other criteria. Adding checklists within cards can be particularly helpful if a task consists of multiple smaller steps. Trello also offers features like the Card Priority Power-Up to help prioritize tasks within a list further. Collaboration is another powerful function of Trello. Assigning cards to specific team members clarifies who is responsible for what. You can use the activity log to keep track of any changes or communications related to a card, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. Enabling notifications will keep you updated on any changes to your cards. Plus, the calendar view provides an overview of tasks with assigned due dates, making planning more efficient. Finally, to truly optimize your Trello workflow, regularly review and update your board. Workflows change, so adapt as needed. Automation rules can help streamline repetitive tasks, and exploring Trello's power-ups can enhance your experience, providing additional functionality tailored to your needs. That's it. With these steps, you can effectively manage tasks using Trello, making your workflow more organized and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.